How are you today? I'm Teacher Melody. I will be your guide as you do this learning activity sheet for grade 7 and 8 nail care. After going through this learning activity sheet, you are expected to perform basic preventive and corrective maintenance of tools and equipment used in nail care. With proper care and maintenance, you can safeguard your nail care business, attract more profits and investments for offering a premium service to clients, since sanitation is the key in the salon industry.
Maintenance: the process of preserving a condition or situation or the state of being preserved is termed as maintenance. Maintenance is carried following decision of an anomaly and aimed at restoring normal operating conditions. This approach is based on the firm belief that the costs sustained for downtime and repair in case of fault are lower than the investment required for a maintenance program. This strategy may be cost-effective until catastrophic faults occur.
Preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is maintenance that is regularly performed on a piece of equipment to lessen the likelihood of it or failing. Preventive maintenance performed while the equipment is still working so that it does not break down unexpectedly.
Preventive maintenance has the following meanings: the care and servicing by personnel for the purpose of maintaining equipment and facilities in satisfactory operating condition by providing for systematic inspection, detection, and correction of incipient failures, either before they occur or before they develop into major defects. Maintenance, including tests, measurements, adjustments, and parts replacement, performed specifically to prevent faults from occurring. The primary goal of maintenance is to avoid or mitigate the consequences of failure of equipment. This may be preventing the failure before it actually occurs, which planned maintenance and condition-based maintenance help to achieve. It is designed to preserve and restore equipment reliability by replacing worn components before they actually fail. Preventive maintenance activities include partial or complete overhauls at specified periods, oil changes, lubrication, minor adjustments, and so on. Corrective maintenance. Corrective maintenance is a maintenance task performed to identify, isolate, and rectify a fault so that the failed equipment, machine, or system can be restored to an operational condition within the tolerances or limits established for in-service operations. Branch official norm defines corrective maintenance as maintenance which is carried out after failure detection and is aimed at restoring an asset to a condition in which it can perform its intended function. Corrective maintenance can be subdivided into immediate corrective maintenance, in which work starts immediately after a failure. Deferred corrective maintenance, in which work is delayed in conformance to a given set maintenance rules. Breakdown maintenance and shutdown maintenance. Difference between preventive and corrective maintenance. The set of tasks is destined to correct the defects to be found in the different equipment and that are communicated in the maintenance department by users of the same equipment. While preventive maintenance is generally considered to be worthwhile, there are risks such as equipment failure or human error involved when performing preventive maintenance, just as in any maintenance operation. Preventive maintenance as scheduled overhaul or scheduled replacement provides two of the three proactive failure management policies available to the maintenance engineer. Simply, corrective maintenance is done after problem while preventive is before problem. Corrective maintenance is done randomly, while preventive is done frequently. Preventive maintenance will minimize the need of corrective, while corrective will maximize the preventive actions.
In order to achieve the objectives of this learning activity sheet, here's a simple guide for you. Number 1, read and follow instruction carefully. 2, take note and record points for clarification. 3, do the activities and you will further understand the lesson. Now, let's do the activities.
Activity 1. We're different yet we're one. Instruction. Compare and contrast preventive and corrective maintenance using the Venn diagram. The rubrics for scoring. Clear and comprehensible difference of the subject were presented. The ideal similarities of the two subjects were given, and overall content. Activity 2. Am I preventive or corrective? Instruction. At the right side, identify by checking the space if the statement on the left side is under preventive or corrective maintenance. We have the statement. On the side, we have preventive and corrective. Number 1. The manicurist checked her tools, implements, and equipment once a week. 2. The tool implement have to be changed or it does not already serve its purpose. 3. All metal tools, implements in the salon are being sanitized every after use in servicing a client. 4. The equipment in the salon were being checked at an interval of 1 week. They are weekly wiped, cleaned, and sanitized. 5. Sterilization of tools, implements in the salon is always observed by the employees.
To sum up our lesson, nail care tools, implements, and equipment are very important to provide a safe and quality service. Therefore, there is really a need to consider its proper maintenance. As manicurists, you should always work on the proper maintenance of such tools and equipment by cleaning and disinfecting them before and after every use. This will guarantee a safe and quality service offered to every client. Thank you for doing this learning activity sheet with me. Stay safe and God bless. Bye!